My name is Hürcan Atay. I'm the CEO of Atay. We are a company with over 30 years of experience, originally rooted in geospatial solutions. For this project in Cappadocia, our goal was to showcase how innovative workflows can come over the region's complex terrain challenges. Cappadocia is not only a geological wonder, but also a cultural icon. Precise 3D model enables digital archiving of a fragile natural heritage site for future generations. The topography is highly irregular, with steep cliffs, narrow pathways, and varied elevations. With conventional drone systems, coverage was limited and required multiple flights. Caves and narrow formations are especially problematic due to lightning, GPS signal loss, and limited maneuverability. The extended flight time of M400 allowed us to close the large area in a single flight. For a drone in this class, a 59-minute flight time is an incredible performance. The smart flight planning allowed the drone to navigate tight corridors and adjust dynamically to terrain changes. We could map vertical faces and overhangs that were impossible to capture using standard grid missions. Combined with radar and LiDAR sensors for additional obstacle avoidance, they gave us unmatched flexibility and safety. Transmission system ensures uninterrupted connectivity even in mountainous terrain or signal-obstructed valleys. The M400's real-time terrain following mode adjusts flight altitude dynamically. Additionally, its 5-direction oblique photography capability enhances data capture. This greatly improves model quality and reduces the need for manual reflights. Smart 3D capture automatically adjusts flight altitude and camera tilt to match terrain's microtopography. The slope flight route function enables constant altitude retention across rugged terrain, while advanced obstacle avoidance systems provide reliable access to hazardous or confined areas. We successfully captured recessed geological features, undercut cliff faces, and vertical wall textures. We used DJI Terra as our primary photogrammetry software for creating and refining 2D and 3D models from aerial imagery captured with the M400. After flight data is collected, we import the imagery into DJI Terra to generate point clouds, 3D textured meshes, and orthophotos. We export the final outputs of DJI Terra in standard format and use DJI Modify to upload and share with our team members. This allows our team to access and evaluate the data collaboratively and in real time. The M400 brought operational efficiency, expanded flight envelope, and unrevealed detail in confined or steep areas. Drones like M400 make it feasible to digitally preserve heritage areas in a non-invasive, cost-effective way. We are particularly excited about flight automation, real-time 3D reconstruction, and integration with mixed reality platforms, all of which will transform how we document and share cultural landscapes.